guys, it's Nancy. I am back. I haven't filmed in a really long time, I think in about 2 months. Today I'm back with just an unboxing, Boxycharm for the month of November. And to make things easier, and so that I don't have to keep putting and removing my glasses, I'm just going to go over everything, show you the item, tell you the price, and then we'll just move on to putting everything on my face, okay? So the theme for this month is Stellar. It's right here, and here is a list of the products that I received with the prices. The first thing is these eye masks. It came with 2, one for the day, one for the evening. I actually used up the first one already because I had started to record this video and then the camera died on me, so I won't be able to show that, or if I can find it I'll just insert the clip. But these masks, and the value of these was $12, so I'm guessing $6 each. The next thing is these 2 brushes. They look like they're buffing brushes. The value for these is $35. So I'll be using these to apply foundation and probably some cream products. Then we have this Catrice. It's a serum. It's an antioxidant serum, and the value of this is $90. So it's Quench and Glow serum. Then we have Becca highlighter, Champagne Pop, and the value of this is $38. I was really excited to get this. And the last thing is this palette from Dominique Cosmetics, Celestial Thunder, and the price for this is $35. And here's what it looks like. Stunning colors. Okay, so I'm going to remove my glasses now, and then we can start putting some of these things on my face. Let's remove that. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to put on, obviously, is the serum. I've already moisturized my face and everything, and used serums and whatnot. So I'm just going to put this over anyway to use this sort of as a primer to just give extra hydration. But it says to apply in the morning and at night. So I guess you can use this as one of your steps, as one of your serum steps before your moisturizer. So I dropped a couple of drops. Oh, it smells really nice. I mean, for $90, I would think it would smell nice. It feels nice and hydrating. A little tacky, which is good. That makes the foundation stick better, and it looks like it's giving a nice little glow. Okay, I really love the way it smells. Okay, so in order to use these brushes, in order to show you, I'm gonna apply foundation on camera. Normally I wouldn't, I would just show you the products themselves, but I want you to get a look at how these brushes work. So let's just put, and by the way, I'm using the Physicians Formula Healthy Elixir foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I'll be back for the other items on there. I think I'm gonna start with this color here, this orange, and we're gonna just kind of put that all over the crease. Let me zoom you in a little bit for this. Oops. Is that better? Is that a little better? Okay. And I'm gonna go in with this color here. It's like a nice brown with a smaller blending brush. This one. And I'm gonna try and just keep that on the outer part, the outer V here, and into the lower crease. fairly equal. Now I'm gonna just go in with this shimmer here. And I'm gonna put that in the inner part of the lid. You can use any flat brush. This is an Alamar, just a small flat brush, and I'm gonna bring that in to the inner part. And then just to marry those two together in the center, I'm gonna apply this beautiful bronze shimmer over here. This one. You can use the same flat brush. I'm just wiping it off a little bit in a towel that I have here. So picking that up lightly, and I'm just gonna okay, and now we're gonna go and apply some highlighter. Becca Champagne Pop. This is what it looks like. It's lovely. This was so popular for so long. And I actually never had it in my collection. So I was really happy to see that I got this in my box. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit everywhere. Why not? All right, let's finish now the bottom portion of the eyes. I almost forgot about them. So just taking a small pencil brush, something like this, small. We're gonna go back and just at the same color. So I'll start with this one. And this one I'll bring all the way in. Then go into the darker one, this color here again, and I'm going to apply that just in the outer corners. Just following what I did at the top, same thing. And then just wiping that off, and I'm going to take some of that shimmer that we applied in the inner part. Just taking a little bit of that, and I'm place it in the inner part here. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of champagne pop and put it on my inner corners. Wiping off that same small brush, just taking a little bit of that and popping it in here. And just popping it just to kind of brighten that area. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to apply mascara and eyeliner and lipstick, and I will be right back. Okay guys, that completes this video. This is the final look. The total value of the box was $210. Yes, you heard it right. And it's because of that serum that, you know, has such a high price tag. But also, I was very happy to get that, of course, because skincare, you know, I just love skincare, and I know it's expensive. But also the palette. I really, really love the Dominique palette, as well as the Champagne Pop highlighter, which I didn't have in my collection. So I was really excited to get it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.